Hey guys, for this tutorial we're going to use Google Sites to create a simple website for a practice. Now first thing is go to Google, I'm going to make it English, and we're going to sign in with our school email and our password. Once we're in, we click on Sites, or you can just go to sites.google.com, which is right here. And at the moment, we can't see any websites because we haven't made any. So what we're going to do is click the Create button. And we're going to start by using a blank template. If you'd like, you press the Browse button, and you'll be able to see all these different types of templates. So there are many different designs and so forth. But for the sake of the practice, I think it would be good to just use the blank one. Now, we would like to give our site a name, so I'm going to call it Mr. Marriott's Fun Website. And what will happen is it will generate the name of your website right here. So it'll be sites.google.com /a/elearn.ltpss.hk/ and then the name of the website, and that is it. So click Create, and in a few moments your website will generate. So just give it a moment, and there we go. There we have it. Now you've got a title, you've got the home page, and you've got some links on the left hand side. It's fairly simple to use. If you would like to edit the page, just press the button here, so it looks like a pen or a pencil. You press the edit button and you can add something to the home page. So very simple. I'm going to write, "Welcome to Mr. Marriott's Fun Website. Enjoy your stay." Now I'd like to put a picture in there, so I go to Insert Image. I could put YouTube video, but maybe I'll do that later. So Insert Image, and I'm going to, let's say, well, I need to find a picture, so I'm going to go to Google Images. So I'm going to find a picture of, I always use Star Wars because it's quite fun, so we'll just pick this one. Alright, so this is the picture I would like to use, so I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to put the URL, that means the link of the picture. Alright, you know it's the right picture because it shows up, and then click OK. There's your picture on the home page. You can make it small, you can make it large, make it medium, or just keep the original size. I'm going to make it small. Yeah. No, actually, let's make it medium. That's better. Great. Now, if you would like, you can highlight the text, and you can change the size of the text. So if you want it big, you want it small, or you want it medium. And I'm going to make this bold, so I'm going to press the big B, and Enjoy Your Stay is going to be in italic. I'm going to change the color of the font. No, that's the wrong one, sorry. Let's go back. What I did was I pressed the highlight button. So we're going to, right now it's highlighted that red, but we don't want that. So we're going to make this white again. And then we're going to change this to be red. There we go, that's better. And let's make this blue. Now once that is done, I can press the Save button. And then this is what the website would look like. If you look at the top, this is where your website would be on the internet. Right. So let's add some more. Let's what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add maybe something about my school, the school where I work or study. So I'm going to create a new page. So I press the New Page button up here. Create a page, and I'm going to call it My School. Then I click Create. You'll see what happens in just a moment. So I've now created a new page. You'll see on the left hand side you have the link to this page. It automatically generates here, and if I click the Save button, I can now navigate on the left-hand side, so I can either click Home, I can click My School, so it's very easy, very easy. I'm going to edit this page, and I'm going to add something about my school here. Now, if I'd like, I could go to Google Images, or I could go to LTPSS, the school website. And I'm just going to do an LTPSS search. Now, let's say, well, there's a picture of the school right here. So I'm going to take that picture, I'm going to plant it into my website. So insert image. So put in the URL. All right, very good. Let's click OK. There you go. Now I can put a description. So this is a picture of the school where I work and teach. There we go. Now let's try adding a map, a Google map with the location of the school so people know where we can find it. So I'm going to clear a little space at the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to insert. By the way, just ignore this download button. That's only on my MacBook, so just ignore that button. So insert map. Okay. And it wants to know my computer's location. Okay, no problem, I don't mind. Then go to Maps. It's going to ask you for the location. You could type Lo Ting Pong. In this case, I think it already knows where I am. But anyway, right? So this is where I am. So I type in Lo Ting Pong. It automatically points to where I am. So Lo Ting Pong Secondary School. Now, if I click Select. Okay, Lo Ting Pong Secondary School. You can put a title on the map, and there we go. You'll notice it's actually put the map at the top of the picture, not the bottom. So maybe we can drag this map down there. There we go. Great. Now at the bottom, I'm going to put a little description. I'm going to say this is a map showing you the school in Hong Kong. Something like that. Now, once it's done, you click Save. All right, and there you have it. So there we have it. My school, picture, words, and you have this Google map embedded inside your website, and I think you can go inside and you can scroll back and forward. So that's quite useful. So it's like a map within the website. So that's very, very useful. So great. Now, let's go back to the home page. If you would like to change maybe the color of your web page, like at the moment it's light gray and white, but you might think that's a little boring. So what you could do is you click on this one, More Actions, and go to Manage Site. Or you can use your keyboard and press the letter G and the letter M, and then you get this. And on the left-hand side, you'll be able to change the page templates of your page, and you'll be able to also change the colors on your page. So if you go down to the bottom where it says Themes, Colors, and Fonts, if you click on this one, all right, you can go through the different types of themes. So right now we've got this theme called Ski. Let's change it to Rounders. And you see what we get? So we've basically got a preview of what the website will look like with a different theme. Now, in this case, I'm going to use, let's try Crystal Panel. Okay, that's not too bad. Well, let's try Treehouse. Okay, I think that will do. Now, you can go through different parts of the website. So I can go to Site Header. I can change the title. Let's say we want to make, make the size, it's 36 point. You can see this, it gets a lot bigger, doesn't it? And you can also add a background to the title. So I'm just waiting for this to load. So I'm just going to use this picture. So press Open. And I've got to wait for it to upload. Now that picture didn't work very well, but never mind, that's okay. But the idea is you can use this to change the color and the layout and everything. And once that's done, once you're happy, you click the Save button. And then let's go back, and then we can go back into the website and click back to this one. So we're going to go back to the website. Now, if you'd like to share this website with your friends or your teacher or whatever, just click Share. Right, you can have a look at the permissions. So at the moment, this is the link to your website. If you would like to have people like on the public access this website, you click Public. Or if you give anyone the link, you can click this one. So maybe I'll keep it on this one and then click Save. But if you want it to be private, just click Change. You could say Lo Ting Pong Secondary School or specific people. And when you say specific people, then what you do is you put your friends or your teacher's email addresses here, and you just add them, and so forth. All right, and they can either edit or they can either view. So again, I'm going to change this back to anyone with the link. So I can give this link to anyone. I can even put the link on Facebook or whatever, and people can actually see the web page that I've just made. And then, excuse me. Oh, let's cancel that. Okay, and it's done. So that is a very basic website. Please, play around with it, have some fun, and see what you can do. So, thank you very much, and see you soon. Goodbye.